Here we have a center console organizer provided by Muslogy for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Made of premium ABS material, which is strong and durable. The mats are made of PVC, which is wear resistant and odorless. You can get them in blue, black, or red. The mats help to reduce noise and items from sliding around while driving. Improve space utilization and organization by adding a second layer. Easy installation. Simply put into position and that's it. Compatible with 2022 and up Toyota Tundra and 2023 and up Toyota Sequoia. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.